Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. And if you follow my X account, I pointed out that I'm going to be adding this commodity pair on my watch list. So other than the USD and the British pound, you'll be having this now and then in terms of the price action that is going to be presented. So if the British pound and the USD is not giving me the opportunities to trade, I'll be rushing to the trading pair here and see if there are any opportunities too that I can capitalize on. So currently this is the price action that we have on the monthly chart, and currently I'm very bearish based on the fully fledged traders model. So yeah, so this is the first consolidation. This is the second. Price comes back into the range, takes the buy side liquidity. Now this one becomes the low hanging fruit for me, so I have to be seeking for market structure that will support bearishness within this price leg here. So let me just switch to the weekly chart and see if there is any market structure that will support that kind of price action. So I'm going to be working with this range that has already been marked there. So from this price action here, I understand that there was, from the candle that is on the middle here, there was a break of market structure. Price turned a little bit into the range, then distributed to the upside. This is also a range, and then price page the buy side liquidity there, and then I have to be seeking for a sell signal from that point there. So let me just switch to the daily chart and see if there is anything that I can capitalize on in terms of the bearish market structure. The daily chart. So this is the daily chart. So here is a microscopic view of what we had on the weekly chart. So this is the first pullback or first level of consolidation. This becomes the second. This is what I call the low hanging fruit here, and I'll be expecting price to trade significant and take this low here, and then if there is gonna be a break of this low here, I'll be counting it as a trend change. But if there's gonna be just a liquidity grab, I'm going to be expecting one final move before a sell again. So let's be together and see what God is gonna give us as the days pass. So currently today's candle is in this inefficiency there, and probably it might support a price up. So let's just wait and see if this is gonna be the situation as the day unfolds here, and I hope you're going to be with me. So let's switch to the 4-hour chart and see if there's anything that can help us in terms of our bearishness there. So currently, like I've already pointed out, price is in this inefficiency there, and we might see some sort of reaction there, some bullish reaction. So I don't know, but let's switch to the forward chart and see if there's anything that we can work with in terms of the bearishness there. So that's the H6. Yeah, well, before I went to the H4, I happened to click on the H6. So anyways, so the H6 presented me with this kind of price action here, where there was a break of market structure here. Price returned back into the range and gave us an opportunity to buy, and then price again, there was some sort of range here, took the buy side liquidity, and now just reached for a draw of liquidity, internal range liquidity here, and then hopefully I'll be seeing some sort of price action, bullish price action, reaching for the levels like 2,820 or 2,830, and then we might see price fall from that point then. So let's just give it more room for some bullishness there, or else let's just wait and see what is going to give us as the days pass. But for now, I'll be stuck with some sort of bullishness there, which is going to be our Judah swing for this week, probably for this month. So there are two important reference points there. It can be the high of the month and the high of the week there, and for the bearish candle that is going to come. So let's just follow it together with keen interest there. So for now, let's be expecting some bullish move, which is going to be a Judah swing there, a fake move towards the upside before we deliver to the lower side and taking this level here. So let's switch to the H4 and see if there's anything that we can capitalize on. So yes, price just took the sell side liquidity here, and we should be expecting to see some sort of bullishness to the upside there. So let's switch to the lower time frames and see if there's some sort of break of market structure in the lower time frame that will support some bullishness before we switch to the main bias of being bearish there. So short term bullish, long term or intermediate term bearish. So that's the overall bias for now. So let's switch to the H2. That's the H2, H1, M30. So this is the kind of price action that we have. So I'm just gonna let Monday present me with the price action for one full day and see if there's gonna be something that I can capitalize on, because I'm expecting to see some bullishness, like I've already pointed out, which is going to give us the high of the week and the high of the month, and then I'll capitalize on that one and see if there's anything there. So I'd like to have much more data and the more price feed. So I'll let Monday be the one that will cook that data for me, and then I'm going to follow it up later in the afternoon or in the evening to share some insights there. So I'll be expecting that high of the week or high of the month on Tuesday. So today is Monday, so Tuesday or Wednesday I should be able to see that, and then see if we're going to have that bearish bias hold for the rest of the month, that is. So that's what I had for the gold, and I'll be sharing with you some insights as the day passes if I see something come up. So thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in the next one.